Let's go to page 496. Start with number 1. Okay, so this one you have x to the 1/2 power minus y to the 1/2 power square. Now because this is a subtraction, you cannot just distribute. So this one you need to go and make into square root of x minus square root of y square, and you apply the square. So you square this will give you x. Here you square that will give you plus. You square will give you y. And when you square the binomial, there will be a middle term. The middle term would be multiply all these together, so it would be minus. So that's the sign, the number, and the alphabet. Okay. So by looking at the answer, this would be answer C. Okay, number 2. Okay, you have 2 over 6 root of 8. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to make this into exponential form. So this is equal to 2 to the 1 divided by, now this is going to be 6 root of 8, right? So this one you make into 2 to the 3 power, right? 8 is 2 to the 3 power. So this will becomes 2 divided by 2 to the 3 over 6 power. And so this is equal to 2 to the 1 power divided by 2 to the 1/2 power. Now when you have division, you have to subtract the exponent. So 1 minus half will give you 1/2. And 2 to the 1/2 power equal to square root of 2. Okay, so a lot of little steps. Okay, so this will be answer C. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 3, you want to solve 25 to the x plus 2 equal to 5 to the 3x minus 3. So what you want to do is you want to make it the same base. So 25 equal to 5 squared. Okay, then you apply the power rule to multiply this out. So you got 5 to the 2x plus 4. Now after that you match the two sides of base match, the exponent will match. Now to solve, you minus 2x on both sides, so this will cancel out, and you want to move this number over, so plus 3. So you got x equal to 7, and so this is answer D. Okay, number 4. You have 2 to the 1 plus square root of 2 over 2 to the 1 minus square root of 2 square root of 2 power. Okay, so you can distribute or you can simplify this part first. So I'm going to simplify this part first. So when you have division, you have to subtract. So this becomes 2 to the 1 plus square root of 2. Okay. And you have to minus this. So you have to minus 1, and minus become plus square root of 2. Okay, so you have to use this minus this, and watch out for the sign. So you have to minus the 1, minus negative square root 2 become plus 2. Okay, so this becomes, the 1 will cancel, so this becomes 2 to the, this plus this would be 2 square root of 2. Okay, then now you can apply the power rule. So power rule, you multiply this together. So this becomes 2 to the 4 power. Right, square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2 times 2 give you 4. And so this becomes 16. So the answer would be D. Okay. Okay, number 5. You have y equal to 1/3 to the x, and you want to find out which is the correct graph. So what you do is you make the table. So you say x, you got y equal to 1/3 to the x. Okay, so you can start with -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, right? So -2, this would become y to the 1/3 to the -2 power. So this will equal to 3 to the 2 power, so equal to 9. So when x equal to -1, become 1/3 to the negative 1 power, so become 3 to the 1 power equal to 3. And this would be y equal to 1/3 to the 0 power. 0 power is equal to 1. And then this is 1 power, so 1/3 to the 1 power equal to 1/3. Then 2 power, so it would be 1/3 squared will equal to 1/9. Okay, so now when you graph, so first when x equal to negative 2, you're going to get 9. Okay, and when negative 1 equal to 3, and 0 equal to 1, 1 will equal to 1/3, 2 will equal to negative 9. So this looks something like this. Okay, so by looking at that, you can see that this is the graph B. Okay. Okay, number 6. Okay, so if I have f of x equal to 3x minus 2 and g of x equal to 2x minus 1, and you're looking for g of f of x. Okay, okay, so f of x is this, so substitute, so you got g of 3x minus 2, right? F of x equal to that. And now to find g of that, you have to come over here. So g of 3x minus 2 equal to 2 times 3x minus 2 minus 1. Right, so again, whenever you see x, you change into that. So whenever you see x, you change into that. So this is equal to 6x minus 4 minus 1. So equal to 6x minus 5. Okay, so by checking your answer, this would be answer B. Okay. Okay, number 7. It says are function f and g inverse functions if f of x is equal to 5/3x plus 1 and g of x equal to 3 times x minus 1/5. So are they inverse functions? Well, let's go and find the inverse of function and see if it matches that. Okay, so y, so change this into y. Okay, and then you exchange the x and the y to get the inverse function. So you get x equal to 5/3 y plus 1. Okay, so again, so once you switch, the rate is your inverse function. So now to solve for that, you have to minus 1 on both sides. So you get x minus 1 equal to 5/3y. Now to get rid of the 5/3, you need to multiply it by 3/5. So multiply by 3/5. Okay, so you're going to get 3x minus 1/5 equals, so this cancels, equal to y. And this is your inverse function. So inverse function of x will equal to 3 times x minus 1/5. And see they match. Okay, so yes, indeed, when you make this into inverse function, it becomes that. Okay, so so answer would be yes. So answer would be A. Okay, so yes, they are inverse function. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 8, it says if f of x equal to 9x minus 7, find the function g that's inverse of f. Okay, so again, to find inverse function, first change this into y, and then you switch x and the y, and then you solve for y. So from here, you have to plus 9. So you got x plus 9 equal to 9y. And you divide by 9, divide by 9. So you got x plus 9/9 equal to y. And that's your inverse functions. Okay, hold on. Mistake, the 7 is a minus 7. So this is a 7. So I have to plus 7. Plus 7. Okay, so all these are, this is 7. There we go. Then you have to divide by 9. Okay, here we go. Okay, so again, this is f of x equal to 9x minus 7. So change that into y. Okay, and then you switch x and the y. Then after that, to solve for y, you plus the 7 on both sides. So you got x plus 7 equal to 9y. Then you divide by 9 on both sides. So this will cancel out. So y equal to x plus 7/9. and that will give you answer C. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Okay, number 9. You want to simplify log base 4 of 64. Okay, so again, whenever you're going to evaluate or solve, what you do is set it equal to x, and you go and change form. So you got 4 to the x equal to 64. Right? When you change, you click cross. Then what you can do is you can make this into base 4. Now, if you cannot make them the same base, what you do is making the lowest base possible. So you got 4 to the x equal to 4 to the 3 power. Okay, 64 equal to 4 to the 3 power. By matching, you can see x equal to 3. So this is answer B. Okay. Again, to know how to do this, what you do is you just divide by 4, you get 16. Divide by 4, you get 4, right? So that's how you get 4 to the 3 power. Okay. Okay, number 10. It says between which two numbers is log 5 base 150. So you got log base 5 of 150. Now, so when you do this, it's much easier if you use calculator. Okay, so but on a calculator, there's no base 5. So what you need to do, you have to change the base. So this is equal to log 150 over log 5. Okay. And so when you use calculator, you get 150 log divided by 5 log push equal. So this is equal to 3.113. Okay, so this is going to be between 3 and 4. So answer is D. Okay, so that's how you change the base. So you can use, so when the top number goes on the top, bottom number goes on the bottom. And you can change into any base. Since the calculator uses base 10, so you just use the base 10. Okay, number 11, you need to simplify log base 6 of 36 over 6 to the negative 10. Okay, so this one, you can do a little bit simplifying. So you can log 6. Now this is going to equal to 6 squared over 36 is 6 squared, right? Over 6 to the negative 10. So when you have division, you can subtract the number. So this becomes 6 to the, or you can just flip this over to the top, so it becomes 12. Okay? And using the third law, this can come to the front, so it becomes 12 log base 6 of 6. Now, log 6 of base 6, when these two numbers are equal, it means equal to 1. So this is equal to 1. So this is just equal to 12. Okay, and so answer would be A. So this one you don't even need a calculator for it. Okay. Okay, number 12. Okay, you got log base Z or base B. Okay. Of Z equal to 1/3 log base B of X plus log base B of Y. And you want to write Z in terms of X and the Y. So what you need to do is you're going to make this into one log so that you can match it up. Okay? So log base B of Z equal to, so bring this to inside. So X to 1/3 power. Okay, apply the third law. Okay, and then next you're going to apply the first law. So when you're adding two logs, you multiply the inside. So it becomes X to 1/3 power Y. So by matching two sides, this match this already. So Z will equal to X to 1/3 power Y. And so if you put the variable in the front, so you're going to get Y cube root of X. Okay? And so this would be answer A. Okay. Okay, number 13. Yeah, 10 to the 5t equal to 2. And you're going to solve. Okay, so the variable is an exponent, so you need to take the log to bring it down. So take the log on both sides. Okay, and now you bring this down to the front, so you got 5t 5t log of 10 equal to log 2. Okay, now log of 10, now remember this is base 10, right? So this is equal to 1. Okay, so this is equal to 1. So to solve, all you have to solve for t, all you have to do is divide by 5. Okay, so t equal to log 2 over 5. And to get a book answer, you have to kind of make this equal to 1/5 log of 2. Again, when there's no number, means it's base 10. So this is answer D. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 14. Okay, so this is the decay type of problem. Okay, so the formula that you need to use would be the decay problem. So this half-life, so you have to use the n equal to n0 times 1/2 to the t over h. Okay, and so now you write down all the information. So if 40 milligram, so n equal to n0 equal to 40 milligram. That's how much you start out. And it end up at 5 milligrams. So n at the end is 5 milligram. Okay? And the time it would take is 12 minutes. Okay, and you're looking for the half-life. Okay? So this is all the information. So you can put everything in here. So you got 5 is equal to 40 times 1/2 to the 12 over h. Okay? Now you do not multiply this out, okay, because this is an exponent. So first you have to get rid of this number, so divide by 40. So this will cancel out, and this will equal to 1 over 8, equal to 1/2 to the 12 over h. So this one you don't even need a log, because what happens is that you can make this into the 1/2 power. So this is equal to 1/2 to the 3 power. Okay? Because 2 to the 3 power is 8, right? Okay, so you can make it into 1/2 to the 3 power. So now you can do the matching. So you got 3 equal to 12 over h. So cross multiply, you got 3h equal to 12. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So h equal to 4. Okay? And so the answer would be B. So this one you don't even need a calculator for. You can just simplify. Okay, let's go to number 15. Okay, you want to simplify natural log of 1 over e to the 3 power. Okay. Again, there are a couple of ways you can do this. Okay. First, let's go and flip this over, so it becomes natural log of e to the -3. Okay. And you can set it equal to x. Okay, set it equal to x. And then what you do is you can use the third law to bring this to the front. So -3 natural log of e equal to x. Now natural log of e equal to 1. Okay, this is equal to 1. So -3 times 1 will equal to just -3. So answer would be B. Okay. Okay, number 16. You want to solve e to the 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, so whenever you have this, you need to go and change form. So you have natural log. Okay, so there's a base e over here, so you just switch the numbers. Okay, so again, when you change the form, the two numbers just crisscross, right? So now you can go and plus 1 on both sides. So you got 1 plus natural log of 3 equal to 2x. And then after that, you're dividing by 2, dividing by 2. So x equal to 1 plus natural log of 3 over 2. And well, in the book, they kind of switch the terms, but you can see that this is answer C.